In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company email in QuickBooks. Keeping your company email current is important because it's the address QuickBooks may use for key communications and what your team or accountants might reference for contact details. I'll walk you through the exact path so you can update it quickly and confidently. First, look to the top right of your QuickBooks screen for the Settings icon. It's the small gear-shaped button that opens your main setup area. Go ahead and click that. This is where QuickBooks keeps your core preferences and company information all in one place, so you don't have to dig around in different menus. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This opens a dedicated window where you manage your company profile, billing details, and many of the preferences that control how QuickBooks behaves for your business. If you don't see this option, it usually means you don't have the right permission level, so you may need an administrator to make the change for you. Once Account and Settings is open, choose the Company tab on the left. This tab includes your legal business name, ID numbers, address, and the general contact details that represent your company inside QuickBooks. It's the right spot for updating high-level information that appears across your account. Within the Company tab, look for the Company Info section. Here, you'll see several fields that describe your business, including the email field we want to change. This company email is often used for administrative messages and contact information inside your account. If your organization uses a shared inbox, make sure it's one that's actively monitored so nothing important gets missed. Next, click Edit in the Company Info area. This will make the fields, including the email, available to update. Carefully type your new company email address. Take a moment to double-check for typos, extra spaces, or incorrect punctuation. Small mistakes can prevent messages from reaching you. If you're pasting the address, ensure there aren't hidden spaces at the beginning or end. When you're satisfied with the change, click Save. QuickBooks will apply the update right away, and you should see your new company email reflected in the Company Info section. If you get an error, confirm that the email address is in a standard format and that you have the necessary permissions to edit company details. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Account and Settings, choose the Company tab, edit the email in Company Info, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your company details up to date so your QuickBooks account works exactly the way you need.